Hey, what's up guys, it's Patya back with another video. This video I'm gonna unbox Amazfit GTS. It's similar to Fitbit Versa and Fitbit Versa Lite. Let's get into it. It's a great smartwatch come fitness band. I just stole the box. The display of this is AMOLed, which is much better than all the other smartwatches in the market. Wow. You see, here's the watch. The unboxing experience is much better than any of the ones which I've had till now, like all the companies. You get the charger with this, and this is a good charger. Then you get the smartwatch itself, and the extremely thick kickstart guidebook. Yeah, that's just because it has all different languages. Nothing more, no extra bands, no extra straps. This is the band itself. So this is to rotate, and even there's a click one. Okay, and then yeah, that's it. This was the unboxing of Amazfit GTS. Then I just have to download the app and do the settings. So this was it guys, the unboxing of Amazfit GTS. See you guys next time, bye.